Today, I'm reviewing Rep by Clarify, an AI-powered personal sales agent built into Clarify's autonomous CRM, designed to automate revenue-driving tasks and improve sales conversations in 2025. Rep functions as an autonomous assistant that prepares meeting briefs, drafts follow-ups, and keeps the CRM updated in real time by analyzing emails, calendars, and deal activity, allowing sales reps to focus more on selling. Users and early reviewers praise its AI-generated meeting summaries, objection tracking, and suggested next steps, which help save significant time and keep pipelines accurate without manual effort. Rep also creates personalized follow-up emails and recommends CRM updates based on conversations, reducing missed opportunities caused by delayed responses or incomplete data entry. However, because Clarify is still a relatively young platform, Rep's effectiveness depends on strong integrations and proper setup, and teams may need onboarding and oversight to avoid errors. Overall, Rep by Clarify stands out as a promising AI sales agent for startups and small teams in 2025, offering meaningful time savings and better deal visibility, with best results coming from careful implementation and monitoring.